Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Kundu and I am currently pursuing MCA from Shiliguri Institute of Technology and
Hello everyone, I am Sanipa Bose and currently I am pursuing MCA from Srinagar Institute of Technology.
so today we are glad to have our senior Miss Shruti Kumari C, who has been successfully placed in Wise Company Limited.
I'm truly excited for interviewing my most supportive and energetic senior of MCA, Sobi Howry. I'm good. How are you guys?
Fine.
We all fine. We would like to ask you what was the main motive taking MCA at SIT? So, as a student, I had a lot of doubts, but during the counseling, I got and met with the professors. They were very supportive and they motivated me a lot and they helped me in studying and not just studying, other than that, we had curricular activities and texts. So, my hobbies and my academic intelligence both were taken into consideration and by God's grace, I got placed in a Wise Limited company, which is a multinational company, world fintech century with over 15 plus branches all over the world. And that is the main motive behind joining SIT. And other than that, I found my seniors also very supportive, and we tried to do that to our upcoming students as well.
Okay. So, Miss Shruti, does it really matter the attendance in this edit?
I would say that attendance is really an important thing in SIT. As a student, we think that study online or maybe understanding basic concepts or doing a 5 minute tutorial based on arrays might help us. But let's come into the real world situations. The problems that we face, can we communicate it to the teacher? We cannot. Because we are expected to wait at least 24 hours of at least a few minutes for the reply. But what happens in the case of, in the scenario of studying in a classroom, the old conventional way which we were always taught in our Indian system? What happens is whenever I was sitting there as a student and I had queries, there were a lot of times that I was hesitant to ask as a student, which is very common. You might have faced, your friends might have faced that. But our professors, being the most professional and most friendly guidance counselors, they helped us a lot in achieving the confidence and going to a limit where we can make sure that we can ask any queries without any hesitance. So, after that, there were instances where teachers were themselves upfront about it. Like, are you not understanding it? Should I explain it once more? And we would be like, yes, professor, please continue. Because we also want to know much better and have a much clear concept. So I believe that attending classes made me prepared for the interview well and also helped me understand the boundaries which should be maintained while having professionalism and friendliness. So I firmly believe that attendance is mandatory over here at Silivri Institute of Technology.
Thank you, Miss Shruti.
Thank you so much, Dee. Finally, I would like to ask about your personal growth and from student to employee. What are the keys that transform you from a student and to an employee? Okay, so one of the main doubts that I had while joining SIT was whether I would be placed. Because as a student, as a undergraduate student, I had graduated, but my confidence building and the ability to communicate without being too conscious about it. It was one of the main concerns that I faced. And also regarding my day to day activities, I used to be a little short tempered, but fortunately, my professors they helped me in channelizing my energy into studies. And as uh, as time passed, I learned that not everyone has a lot of patience, but you're supposed to understand. They're supposed to be kind before being right. And to be honest, our head of department, Mrs. Tupa Banerjee, Dr. Tupa Banerjee, and Vidit sir, and SKD sir, Rinal sir, even the non-teaching staff, they were very helpful and the environment was very good. No matter what doubt we had, whenever we had, I used to tell ma'am that 6 p.m. sometimes, I used to go home and I used to tell ma'am that, ma'am, I'm trying to compile arrays, I'm trying to compile a linked test, it's not working. I'm overstimulated. But our teachers, being the friendly and guiding teachers they have helped me immensely. And when I tell you the journey from a student to an employed personnel, it's very, very different. And the biggest achievement I feel that I got here would be the power over my concentration. Because as a student, we are distracted by a lot of things, whether it be social media, whether it be personal problems, whether it be family problems. But they told me that above that, education is the only way that we can achieve something without bringing problems into it. They told me that you can have problems, but at the end of the day, you're a student, you're supposed to study, you're supposed to make things work. So they helped me a lot in that manner. And I think that was a very wonderful journey. These 2 years, I was missing my juniors, my seniors. So it was lovely with you.
Okay, so that's a very good answer. So my last question is to you: what ideas you will give to your juniors for the placement drives?
Okay. So some of the ideas that I would like to give is having control over your emotions, because whether it be a man or whether it be a woman, no matter what, if you're a girl, you're a boy, but at the end of the day, or if you're a person belonging to other than these categories, even then you're supposed to have control over your emotions, because as a student we might be tired, we might be exhausted, because sitting here coding all day takes a long amount of time. So even after that, what I faced was I used to get very tired. So they told me that, try sitting at least for 1 hour. So every day you're supposed to code, as software engineers, as software students, we're supposed to code at least 1 hour every day. And to be honest, I did not understand how that 1 hour turned to three, and how that three turned to overnight. And like it just became my passion. Like I was not a lot into coding, but when I joined, when I met people, when I understood, webinars are explained topics which were very difficult, and to palm head we grasped over the topics, and with the sir explained them in huge detail. And SKB sir helped me realize what is the architecture, what goes behind all of these. So everybody was so supportive that I never got the chance to be tired. Like they were always motivating me, always being like, "You're doing great. Let's do it. Let's do it once." So they were very patient with me. I believe that like how they showed patience to me, I want to show patience as a senior to you people and show the same guidance. And my LinkedIn is always open for you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your inspired word. This is really inspiring for us. Stories like this uh, proves that SIT MCA program not only focus in academics but also the personal development and personal support also from we can get from the teachers. So
As well as the seniors. Okay, so that's all. So congratulations once again, Mr. Rite, so for being placed in such a wonderful company. So thanks.
thank you so